Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung's flagship phone is set to make a splash in 2025, and we've got all the details you need to know about its release date, price, and key specs major upgrade. So, when exactly can you get your hands on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Mark your calendars for January 22nd, 2025. That's the official unveiling date at a Galaxy Unpacked event. While the exact release date hasn't been announced, it's expected to be available shortly after the launch event, likely around February 7th, 2025. Now let's talk price. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be Samsung's most premium offering yet, and that's reflected in the price. It's rumored to start at around $1,299 for the base model with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. If you want more storage, the 1TB variant could cost as much as $1,659. Here are the key major expected upgrade from the display. A stunning 6.83-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 5G processor. A quad camera setup with a 200MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP periscope telephoto lens and 50MP selfie. A large 5100 mAh battery with support for fast wired and wireless charging. It will come with Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7.0 on top. More updates as the release date draws closer. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.